Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create pointer records in the DNS by using PowerShell. So, if you want to create pointer record manually, how you can do so? You can come here, go to DNS, and you need to come under the reverse lookup zone. Under the reverse lookup zone, we need to ensure that reverse lookup zone, or I can say associated or correct reverse lookup zone has been created in the DNS or not. Because if not created, you need to create reverse lookup zone first, then you can create the pointer record. For example, we are having this server 08 and I want to create pointer record as well. So what can I do? So here you can see one IP address is 192.168.89.150. So here if I see here, I cannot see reverse lookup zone for this particular IP address. So how you can create? Just new zone, primary is fine. To all the DNSServer running this domain controller in this zone, that is also fine. IP address lookup zone, and here you need to type first three octet of your IP address. It will be done in the normal way. Here you can see the network ID is the portion of the IP address that belong this zone. Enter the network ID in the normal, not reverse order. So type first three octet of your IP address, allow finish. So there is a not problem, but we can say whenever we want to create, we create in a normal way. But when we are searching and finding, we are finding in the reverse reverse manner. Meaning, if I want to find 192.168.89, then I will have to see in the reverse manner 89, 168, and 192. Here you can see 89, 168, 192. And here you need to create the pointer record, whatever the IP address is, 150, and I need to type or search for the particular entry, server 08. Okay, then you will see here it is ready now. And what is the requirement of pointer record? Most of the application or all the application are not required pointer record to be created, but some applications are required as well. So people can request you to create the pointer record associated with particular IP address or particular computer, and how it can help us. So if you want to know, okay, from to which computer or device this is associated to, so you can just do NS lookup and see it will tell you there is a problem something, and as there are too many, oh, one is extra. Okay, so now you can see this IP address assigned to this particular server 08.conf.lan. I have created another video to find out reverse lookup zone in the bulk from the DNS server. You can use that as well if you want to, and but that PowerShell escape will be based on our requirement to create DNS pointer record in the bulk. So here you can see the file server 03. Note this, yes, and here you can see I have typed some IP addresses and name in the required format that you can see here as well for the example. And so I have some reverse lookup zone, common reverse lookup zone, right? So here you can see 192.168.100, 192.168.100. Here I can only see one record, but in my PowerShell, I am having some more, and you will see those will be created. So that is already created. I just put it deliberately to see what is happening. And another one is 160, 192, 168, 160, 192, 168, 60, 60. So 192, 168, 160, sorry. So I do not have zone for that, reverse lookup zone, and that will not be created. So it will give you the error, I tell you, okay, that is not available. And 190 to 168, 200. So we are having 200, nothing is there. And we are having 3 under 192, 168, 40. 40. I am having only one here, 40, 40.59. Here, there is a one thing here. If you have already created one reverse lookup zone with that IP address, so it will not create any duplicate one, okay, 140.159. But if you have not created, but somehow name is same, that will create. So that we need to check manually before after creation to remove the wrong pointer record. That can be checked later as well. So we just run this. Here you can see already, and once you run this, you can see reverse lookup zone 160, 162 does not access for IP address 192.168.160 or 189 skip record for creation. So if you are getting 1000 records to be created, so it is very difficult to check manually which record is existing, which pointer record is existing, right? So you can just put the required data in the CSV format, run this, it will create the pointer record, and any one or two, three reverse lookup zone are not available, then you can get the data and you are good to go to create your another pointer record. You just need to provide the correct data in the CSV format. So now if you run this 192, 168, 100, now those are ready, right? That is there, and some 200 also will be there, right? And we also create some in 40, 40. So as I said, if we are having already created, it will not create any duplicate one with the new name. But if it is not created, it can create a new new zone. So definitely, if we are getting new data, the server name, so it should be the correct one which have been created now. That should be wrong because it was created earlier, and there is a possibility server was same, server name was same, host name was same, but IP address is different now. So you can validate manually after creation. So I would say fetch the current information before creating and create the new one and do some VLOOKUP etc. or duplicate things to find out if any duplicate record has been created so that you can validate before confirming to the client or vendor or your seniors that particular activity has been completed. I would also say one thing, please do not run in the bulk, just test it for 3 or 4 computers or 3 or 4 pointer records. If you are satisfied, then you should run this script because environment is different. If you have learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.